Soham, tell me, why did you choose a marketing degree abroad here in America?
I was always passionate about marketing since the time I have started doing my MBA degree. So which is why I thought of going ahead with especially with the marketing research and marketing analytics. And also I love to, I'm a people person, so I love to speak to people. So which is why I thought of this is the best way of learning, how to market yourself as well as learn the environment of the marketing and the organizations and the business prospect.
That's great. Hey friends, welcome to Chine Coaching. I'm Rob, and at Chine Coaching, we're all about helping you to thrive and succeed in your cross-cultural journey. We've helped coach thousands of students in their study abroad journey. In this video, we're doing a deeper dive on marketing degrees. Maybe kind of a lesser known, less popular amongst international students, but definitely growing in interest. In this video, we're going to answer the question, is it worth it? Should this be something you even consider? And so our friend Soham is going to be sharing his experience. Soham, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Sure. Hi everybody, this is Soham. I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata. I have come to US in 2018 to do my master's degree in marketing from University of Texas at Dallas. I've chosen marketing as I have already said that I was passionate about marketing research as well as marketing analytics. So which is why this is one of the genre of study that I always wanted to pursue. And this is what I have completed as my degree in 2019.
Yeah, at the very end of the video, we'll be sharing some helpful tips and also answering the question, is it worth it? And so stay tuned to the very end for that. All right, so Soham, tell us, what's the course curriculum like and what are those kind of core subjects that people will get in a marketing degree?
Sure, absolutely. So for marketing, you will be getting the courses like marketing research, marketing management, marketing web analytics. Also, you'll be definitely looking at business analytics if you want to take that. Business analytics with either R language or the SAS language for it. Also, you'll be definitely going ahead with the marketing prospect as well as the lot more deep diver into research prospect of the marketing, which also bring out the digital marketing as also the analysis phase of the marketing. So there are a couple of curriculum that you're looking at. So this is pretty much related to what exactly that the marketing stands for and what exactly the marketing does. It's not always that you reach out to people and you speak to them. It's also about realizing and analyzing about the market growth, which is practically the marketing does.
Great. So if those are subjects that interest you, those are the things that you want to know about. And also, every college is going to have a little bit slightly different marketing degree.
Correct.
Different marketing programs. So make sure you go online and see what the courses that university offers and how that matches up what you want to get yourself into and learn about. Next, let's talk about job scope. What are kind of the job prospects? What is the job market like in America right now for marketing degrees?
In US, you are looking at the job scopes you can have as a marketing manager, you can have as a digital marketing manager, you can have as a market researcher or a senior market researcher. You can also have the marketing web analyst, because the marketing web analyst, as a marketing web analyst, it's a hot topic in US because most of the organization, they are looking at their market growth, their future trend, as well as how exactly that the organization is doing irrespective of or the competition that they have in the market. So these are the hot jobs that you have right now.
Great.
Did you know that getting admitted into a top university isn't the only hard thing about going abroad? There's so much more that you have to do. Figuring out tuition loans, housing, ForEx, and more is going to stress you out. But what if everything that you needed to do was just in one place? Cheers to a new online resource dashboard powered by ForEx, which has everything you need to do to easily study abroad. Try the loan widget, which is like a magic wand letting you compare loan offers from over 15 banks in real time, saving you precious time and effort. With just a few clicks, you can see interest rates, loan terms, and other important details right on your screen, and even send your application from within the platform. The best part is that it only takes 2 minutes for the loan widget to determine if your loan application would be approved or not from fantastic banks like Prodigy, HDFC Credila, Axis, ICICI, and many more. Save more time by utilizing other services like student housing, ForEx transfer, bank accounts, SIM cards, credit cards, travel and health insurance, plus more. Check out the links above and in the video description to apply and get help today. I hope you can take advantage of this all-in-one study abroad resource platform to make your journey even more successful.
Soham, tell us, what kind of salaries can people expect with a marketing degree, maybe especially some new hires, and what's kind of the career path or career trajectory that they can expect if they continue on 5-10 years down the road?
Sure, absolutely. So if you're joining as a marketing manager or marketing researcher or as a marketing analyst or web analyst or like that, which is a little bit different rather than the business analyst. So you're looking at the range between the starting range, which is 70 to 75,000 a year, which upwards will go according to the number of experience that you gain in your professional career. Also, the career trajectory that you're looking at is, as a marketing manager, once you start, you will definitely deal with people, deal with the organization, deal with your clients, definitely. And going forward, you will become a senior marketing manager. Eventually, you'll definitely become like the director or the regional marketing manager for that entire zone. So which means your trajectory is going to be exponentially up after you're being a regional marketing manager or regional marketing researcher as well as an analyst.
Sounds good. My friends, if you're learning a lot, hit that like button to say thanks. Give some chai love, some cheers to Soham for sharing his experience with marketing. And our chai question for you guys is, what colleges are you applying to? We'd love to hear, love to know. Tell us in the comments, which colleges are you considering? Which ones are you guys applying to in your study abroad journey? Tell us in the comments. Another important thing to consider when looking at a marketing degree is whether it's STEM or non-STEM. So across the US, you'll find some universities offering marketing degrees different with STEM or non-STEM.
Correct.
So what's important to know about that?
Right. So right now in US, most of the universities, if we talk about the university that I have studied from, University of Texas at Dallas, they're providing the marketing course as a STEM, not a non-STEM anymore. And the universities like Columbia University, universities like New York University, they're always providing the marketing course as a STEM. Non-STEM marketing course, there are universities which are in West Coast as well as which are in Southwest Coast. So they are practically providing the marketing course still as a non-STEM. So which means if you are willing to do the non-STEM course for the marketing, you will only get a year for an OPT. Rather, instead if you do the STEM marketing course, you're going to go get it like 3 years, which is what increases your chances of getting the work visa as well as staying.
Yeah, so 1 year of OPT only gives you opportunity for one round of the H-1B lottery.
Correct.
STEM degrees give you 3 years of OPT, so hopefully 3 chances, 2-3 chances for an H-1B lottery.
Correct.
We've actually made a whole separate video with Soham about the H-1B lottery, some crazy things that have happened this year as well, and just explain the H-1B lottery in more detail, especially for new students. So check that out. We'll have the links above and below to learn about the H-1B lottery and how that works and the crazy things that are going on. But also I know that it's also been some recent changes because UTD, when you came, it was non-STEM.
Yes, it was.
Now it's STEM after your graduation.
Now it is STEM, yes.
So that's something to look at and double check websites too.
Yes.
College could have been non-STEM a couple years ago, but it could be STEM now.
Yes.
So again, do your research. Just don't always follow rumors or make sure you have the most up-to-date information when it comes to STEM versus non-STEM.
That's correct.
Soham, what are a couple tips that you would give to students who are considering a marketing degree abroad?
Right. So for marketing degree, you actually have to have a broader mind of thinking, because this is not exactly an analysis or a coding or a mathematical part that you will be doing some statistical analysis. This is what you need to think from the people perspective. You need to think that people or the customer is the king. So that's what marketing actually speaks about. You need to think that what exactly are the pros and cons of the market trends and the future growth that can be and that is supposed to be. That's where you come as a market researcher or as a marketing manager. You need to understand that what is going on in the market and how exactly you're going to grow, how exactly your organization can benefit from your own research for it. So the tips is that whenever you study marketing, just keep your mind broad open, understand, and then go ahead.
Now the big question here that everyone's wanting to hear is it worth it? Is a marketing degree, and obviously it's not data science, it's not computer science,
Correct.
It's not the big fancy degrees most people are coming for. So in your terms, in your words, would you say a marketing degree is worth it in America for an international student?
Marketing degree is worth for the international students which are who are actually passionate about marketing, because we always try to go ahead with the software industry for the data science as Rob was talking about right now, but marketing is a place which actually brings the business to the organization. Then only you can have your data scientists to analyze as well as work efficiently with the data. The data actually comes from your own market research. So definitely marketing is worth doing for, but again, one thing that you actually have to be broader minded and passionate about it, because it will take a lot of energy, but it will be fun.
Definitely. Yeah. I always say when you go abroad, don't chase a paycheck, chase a passion.
Yes.
So make sure you choose a degree that you're passionate about, you're good at, and not just chasing something that hopefully is going to make you a big paycheck. You're going to enjoy that and be more successful with that. So my friends, we've also made an awesome video with Soham about day one CPT universities. There's a lot of rumors that are about those, but we break down the truth and the facts and where they're helpful for international students here in America. So check that out. We've got links above and below to learn about day one CPT universities.
Just a friendly reminder to check out our study abroad dashboard with dozens of resources to make your journey even smoother. Get your tuition loan secured, housing booked, bank account open, and much more accomplished today. Click the link in the video description to save time and money right now.
And Soham, thank you so much. It was fun learning about your degree in marketing, and hopefully this will inspire some other people who are going to consider marketing abroad.
Absolutely. It's a pleasure, Rob. Thank you.
My friends, make sure you connect with us online, especially if you're into social media marketing on places like LinkedIn, Instagram. Be sure to be subscribed to our China Coaching e-newsletter as well for other great tips, resources, upcoming live events. We love having you being part of the China Coaching community to learn and support each other. And thanks for tuning in this video. We'll see you next time, friends. Cheers, everybody.
Good luck, everyone.